Ultimate Masterclass: How to Create and Launch Your Own Crypto Token. Complete step-by-step guide. Welcome to Wolver Channel, your source for crypto development knowledge. In this comprehensive tutorial, I will guide you through the entire process of creating a fully functional cryptocurrency token on any major blockchain network. Whether you're a beginner exploring your first crypto project or an experienced developer looking to expand your skills, this detailed walkthrough will provide everything you need to know. Important note: precision matters in blockchain development. Carefully follow each step to avoid costly mistakes. Step 1. Selecting your development environment. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to remix.eth, the industry standard platform for writing, testing, and deploying smart contracts. This powerful tool supports multiple blockchain networks including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Base. Note: this tutorial focuses on EVM-compatible chains. Solana development requires different tools and will be covered separately. Step 2. Creating your smart contract foundation. Locate and click the File option in the top left menu. Select New File from the drop-down. Name your file your token.sol. The .sol extension is essential as it identifies this as a Solidity smart contract file. Professional contract assistance available. If you require a professionally developed smart contract, contact me via Telegram, link provided in the description, for secure, optimized contract templates. Step 3. Compiling your smart contract. Navigate to the Compiler tab in the interface. Note: ensure you've selected the appropriate compiler version that matches your contract's requirements. Click Compile your token.sol to begin the compilation process. Successful compilation will be indicated by a green checkmark. Should you encounter errors, carefully review your code or consider using a pre-audited contract template. Step 4. Deploying your token to the blockchain and connect your cryptocurrency wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. to Remix. Select your target blockchain network from the available options. Verify the Wave Value parameter, displayed numerically at the contract's header. Configure your token's essential parameters. Token name, example, Wolver token. Token symbol, example, WLV. Total supply, example, 1 million units. Execute the deploy function and confirm the transaction in your connected wallet. Upon successful confirmation, your token will be permanently deployed to the selected blockchain network. Step 5. Adding your token to wallet interfaces. Copy the generated contract address provided after successful deployment. Open your cryptocurrency wallet and locate the import token function. Paste your contract address and ensure the correct network is selected. Complete the import process to view and manage your token balance. Final recommendations and next steps. For businesses or serious projects, consider investing in a custom-developed smart contract for enhanced security and functionality. If you found this guide helpful, please support our channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing with your network. We welcome your feedback. What naming convention are you considering for your token project? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.